Hey everyone, and welcome back to Onourshelf. Today we're checking out this new Wolverine Premium Marvel Legends Series Roleplay mask. Now, I love Marvel, we love Marvel, and if you love Wolverine, watch this video now. Out the way. Grab my knife. You don't want to rip the box. There's tape on the side. They weren't playing with the tape. Let's go. This is it. There we go. Let's take everything out the plastic. All right, so now let's put the mask together. So we have all our accessories out the box, and we're going to assemble the mask, the Wolverine mask. Let's go. Base. Piece. Just like so. You know how these things go. And the mask. Like that, right? Okay, so I was a little confused at first, but I figured it out. Those little pieces go inside here, and it looks like this. Let's see. And then on the mask, it looks like this. So let's put it on the other side. I'll show you the other side. It's not on yet. These pieces here. It looks really good. All the scratches, it's by design, but the condition of this mask is really good. It's brand new. Take a look at the back. That looks so cool. Here's the inside. Feel that. Looks like there's no battery compartment. See on the inside. There's a cushion for your head. There's cushion around the eyes. Now, we are huge fans of Marvel series, Marvel Legends series, and Wolverine. So if you are anything like us, you will definitely enjoy this roleplay mask. It looks really nice. It feels very premium. There's a lot of detailing on this mask, and I can't wait to try it on. Plus, there is a new Wolverine video game coming out September 15th, 2026. This mask came right on time, so let's get to it. It took about 10 minutes to assemble. Showed you the pieces in the beginning. The one thing that stands out to me is this yellow color here and the feel of it. I can give you a closer look. There you go. It feels really great, like one of those volleyballs or soccer balls, basketballs. That's what it feels like. There's a lot of stitching on the sides, and then you can see the eyes. It has a lot of scratches on them. Take a look at it. It was pretty simple to assemble. Even the stand just took a few minutes. And I'll show you the stand. Okay, so here's the stand put together. Pretty simple, plastic all around. Let's put the mask on top of the stand. Ready? It looks very premium and nice. Let's try it on. It's not a voice changer mask. It's you just literally just put it on. Now, what I can tell you is that when I look through the eyes has like this filter, this blurry filter. So I can see, but it's kind of blurry. So that's pretty cool. All right, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's very comfortable. It doesn't feel annoying or anything. If you are a fan of Wolverine and you would love to try on this mask, give this video a like. Subscribe, don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, and share this video, and thanks for watching. Bye. Oh wait,